Okay, so this is take two. You guys won't be seeing take one. For some reason, the computer froze. Back actually, well, I'm thinking about it. I'm just gonna plug it in case that was the issue. I don't think the battery's nowhere near dead. That was odd. So like I said, so I just got a package from AK Press. This is their Frenza program. I got two books. Um, First book is a Chico, California version of Murray Bookchin's The Modern Class. And the other one, I'm not going to try to pronounce the author's name. I will have to look this up on their website. Um, this one's on a sliding scale. It's about, I'm on the $25 amount. I wasn't too keen on the whole thing. Because I signed up last month. Really should have gotten books last month. But besides that, I mean, two books. That's pretty good. Let's see about this. Hope it's free. It doesn't freeze again. This is a Chico, California book. Energy series number 5. So I'm guessing both environmentalist type books. Shouldn't be too hard to sell. $17 US, $16 US. Should be pretty darn easy to flip them. Let's see before we cut this off. Without showing information, I'm showing no stickers. So, not a BMR, no discount stickers. So have a good day. Peace out. And if you guys want to buy either of these books, along with books, and as we find more stuff that's just swapped out in a very large collection that we have, you can go to ebay.com. The name of the channel, Time Change Press, TIMESSCHANGE. Yeah, that's it. PRESS. All one word, no spaces. You can even just put it in the thing, and you'll see most of our books are $10. These two will be manufacturers' prices. Oh, so I can show you. This is what the logo looks like if you ever run into a bookshop that carries AK's books. And I do think it's actually one of the nicest logos. So peace out.